Molex MicroFit plug adapters allow two MicroFit 3.0 cable assemblies to be mated to increase length and provide convenient connection points during assembly or service. The adapters are designed for blind mating applications and offer the same robust features as the MicroFit 3.0 cable assemblies, including polarized housing to prevent mismating and positive locking to prevent accidental disconnects. Adapters are available with 2 to 10 positions with a 3mm pitch, are 50mm long between the connectors, and are rated for currents up to 4.5 amps. The MicroFit 3.0 connector system is ideal for carrying signals and power in a variety of consumer, medical, automotive, telecom, networking, and renewable energy applications.